everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am filling my box. So I just thought I'd do a quick pre-recorded video of finishing it. I started it. In the box, I put styrofoam because it's kind of deep. So I used styrofoam blocks in the box. And then I covered it with my moss. Now this is Spanish moss, but it's green. I don't like the brown moss. I like green. So this is green moss. And flowers I cut off of my big bush of flowers. Aren't these pretty? These are from Hobby Lobby. I'm using those. And these are from Hobby Lobby too. These pumpkin stems. These ones. The orange, green I have. The candles I have raised on the Dollar Tree white candlesticks that we've made things here with before. The white candlesticks. I stole my candles out of the dining room until I get candles for this. But I started it and I want to finish it with you all. But look how pretty these colors are. They're so fall. Okay, this is my front. This is my front here. So let's see what I'm just going to play. I'm just going to play. Usually I would do this whole thing and then pull it apart and then show you. But I am not going to do that now. I'm just going to, I'm trying to see because I want pumpkins in between my candles. These I had downstairs in my stash. I'm not sure where these are from. I needed more pumpkins in here. I didn't have enough of the Hobby Lobby ones, but I need flowers in between. That's kind of squished, so let's see. I gotta see what I'm gonna use. Maybe this one. It's hard for me to see doing this facing this way. Okay, let's see. I'll use white or cream. I don't want to squish them. Just look how pretty this is. Okay, I don't want to get out of your view. I gotta watch I don't push my box off the table. I'm outside. Oh, this flower is missing its middle. Let's do this one. Okay, I want the green pumpkin on the end. So I'm going to put this in here now. Just so I can see where I'm at. I'm having a hard time seeing. Okay, let's see. Look how pretty this is, like a hydrangea. Okay. I want the orange pumpkin on this side. I want to make sure you can see. Okay, I'm going to turn you around. Then I can look at the front here too. Well, I'll fill in the center first before I turn you around. Let's see. I need some white in here. just playing. Playing. Okay, I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to turn my box around so you can see. Okay. As I knock all my flowers down. Okay. I want you to be able to see what I'm doing here. All right. I kind of want some of them to like hang over the box a little. I don't want it covering up my candle per se. Okay, let's see. Need some stuff in the middle. The candles. Oh, I need a pumpkin needs to go here somewhere. I lost a pumpkin. Oh, here it is. Okay. Let's see. This might be too tall. Okay, I think I may want something here. Let's see. I'm all about fullness. Okay. This is the back. This is the back of the box. I have extra flowers. Okay. And this is going to be the front of my box. How pretty, right? Look how pretty. Okay, so this is going to be my box. And I think I am going to put it on the fireplace mantle out on the porch. Okay. Thanks for joining me, guys. I just wanted to show you really quick what my box is looking like. You wanted me to fill it yesterday. I didn't have time, so I'm doing it now along with my dishes. Okay, talk to y'all later. Thanks. Bye.